Tutor here, and today we do how to simplify a compound fraction. So what is compound fractions? Compound fractions is a fraction in which the numerator, the denominator or both are themselves fractional expressions. So let's try this question here. How to simplify? Okay. So here in numerator, this is numerator and this is denominator. Both has fractional expressions. So just simply we can solve like here we can use property of fractions. If you have good knowledge about fractions, so you can solve very easily. Okay, so here whenever we add or subtract fraction, so we have to check their same denominator. Okay, so here not same denominator, so we have to make same denominator first, then we can add numerator. So this is x upon y plus here 1 we can write y upon y. Okay, it means here we can multiply y. Okay, now here 1 minus y upon x, so here we can multiply by x, so we can write here x upon x minus y upon x. Okay, then now we can simply add or subtract numerator. So in numerator here we can solve this like y and x plus y. Okay, and here x minus y upon x. So this is numerator here, this is denominator here, or we can say this fraction divided by this fraction. So you know already, means we can't divide direct in fraction. So first we have to convert into multiply. So x plus y upon y, this one, and divide sign convert into multiply. Okay, and this second fraction just take reciprocal. So x goes upside, x become numerator and x minus y denominator. Okay, here we can check there is something common factor. No, here not common anything. So we can just simply multiply x multiply with x plus y, and here y multiply with x minus y. This is the answer. Very simple questions if you have good knowledge with fraction properties. Okay, so let's do this question. But this is the this question and other one shows situations in calculus that require the ability to work with fractional expressions. So these two questions are very important. Okay, so now we can simplify these. These questions are very useful in limits. Okay, here in this fraction, here two fractions subtract, but here not same denominator. So first we have to make same denominator. So multiply with here a and here a plus h, a plus h. Okay, so in first this fraction will be a upon a plus h, and this is no negative here, a plus h upon a plus h, or we can write in the bracket. Okay, now h So here same denominator, so we can easily subtract numerator. So a minus multiply with this parenthesis, so minus a minus h. Now a cancel, just left negative h upon this and divided by h. So here this fraction divided by this, so here divide sign convert into multiply. So here this fraction we can write minus h upon a plus h, and this divide sign convert into multiply and h become 1 upon h, because what is inverse of h? Reciprocal of h? 1 upon h. Okay, now here cancelled h and this h and just minus left. Okay, so our answer is minus 1 upon a plus h. This is the answer. Okay, so this is another question, and here we can take common from the numerator, so denominator write as it is. Okay, here what is common thing? So 1 plus x square bracket is common, so we have to take least exponent, least power. So here 1 upon 2 and here minus 1 upon 2, so we take least one, it means negative 1 upon 2. Okay, now here when we take negative 1 upon 2, so here from here we took minus 1 upon 2, so here left 1. So 1 plus x square power 1 minus, here already taken out this one, so just left x square. So 1 plus x square and 1 plus x square to the power negative 1 upon 2, and this one here 1 power, so we can write just simply 1 plus x square, and this is minus x square. Okay, so this is cancel, x square and minus x square. So here and here just 1, so 1 plus x square minus 1 upon 2, and here 1. You can skip this step if you want. Okay, so here this is same thing, 1 plus x square, 1 plus x square, but here this is negative power. So when it goes down, it will be positive power. So here this power is 1 and it will here goes positive, so 1 upon 2. So 1 plus 1 upon 2, or I can write one more time, x square, here this, and 1 plus x square 1 upon 2. Okay, here bracket portion is same, it means base are same, so we can add power, here 1 power and here half power, so 1 plus half 3 upon 2. 1 plus half, it means 1 upon 2 upon 2 plus 1 upon 2, make same denominator and then add numerator. So this is 3 upon 2 and this is the answer. Okay, bye, have a nice time.